Welcome to Aesthetic Nest, where stories are told through spaces. Today, we step into a hidden haven where magic lives in the walls and every corner feels like a warm embrace. This is whimsical cottagecore haven, a dreamy sanctuary tucked away in the woods. As we approach the cottage, soft moss covers the stone path and climbing ivy drapes the weathered walls like an old friend. The roof, adorned with wild flowers, dips gently like a fairytale hat. A wooden door with vintage iron handles invites us inside. Stepping in, we are greeted by a cozy living room drenched in golden afternoon light. The walls are soft cream with floral wallpaper accents. A tufted sofa in muted rose sits beside a stone fireplace with a patchwork quilt folded gently on the armrest. An antique coffee table holds a stack of books, a half-burnt candle, and a teacup with delicate gold trim. To the side, a reading nook beckons beneath a bay window. A floral armchair with a crocheted blanket is tucked into the corner, bathed in dappled sunlight. Stacked wooden crates serve as bookshelves, holding worn novels and pressed flowers between pages. The bedroom feels like a dream wrapped in linen. A vintage iron bed sits at the center, draped with embroidered sheets, crochet throws, and layers of soft pillows. Fairy lights twinkle along the headboard, casting golden glimmers across the room. Step into a bathroom that feels like a woodland retreat where rustic charm meets magical serenity. The air smells of lavender and pine. A clawfoot bathtub, painted in a soft sage green, rests beneath a vintage arched window. Lace curtains flutter gently with the breeze. Ivy trails down from hanging planters, while beeswax candles flicker softly across the tiled floor. The sink is vintage porcelain, complete with brass taps that glimmer in the morning light. A reclaimed wood shelf holds handmade soaps, dried flowers, and apothecary bottles filled with rose water. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a storybook escape. In the heart of the home, the kitchen blends practicality and charm. Pastel green cabinets, wooden countertops, and checkered curtains create a space where every item feels loved. Shelves hold glass jars of herbs and teas, while an antique stove warms a kettle that hums with comfort. Just outside the kitchen, a small garden thrives. Raised beds overflow with herbs, tomatoes, and wild flowers. A trellis draped with morning glory shades a wooden bench. Lanterns hang from the trees, ready to glow at twilight. As the day fades, this whimsical cottagecore haven wraps us in its quiet beauty, a reminder that home is not just a place, but a feeling. Thank you for wandering with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more magical spaces on Aesthetic Nest.